Good evening. This is another short video on the assignment that I was given. Rounding. Round 529.94, correct 2, 1 decimal place. I looked at the first decimal place, that's a 9. I looked to the right of that, that's a 4. So it becomes 529.9. The nearest whole numbers are 529, 530. So I look to the right of the 9, and that's a 9. So it becomes 530. The two significant figures, and I round that. The first significant figure, the second significant figure is a 2. I look to the right of that, and that's what happens to be a 9. So the 2 becomes a 3, and everything else between that and the decimal point becomes a 0. So I get 530. Okay, now 53. All right. Now solve this one here. 2/3 x plus 10 is equal to 4/5 x. The first thing that I'm going to find is the LCD. Whenever you are dealing with fractions, find the LCD. The LCD of 3 and 5 is 15. I multiply it by 15. 3 in the sub goes 1 time. 3 and 15 goes 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10x. 15 times 10 is 150. 5 in the sub goes once. 5 and 15 goes 3 times. 3 times 4 is equal to 12x. Now I'm going to bring the 10x over, and that becomes a minus 10x. I get 150 is equal to 12x minus 10x. 150 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. I get x equal to 75. All right. A lot of you seem to have gotten that right, but you didn't show the working. All right. Now, what else we get? Simplify this, right? Simplify this. Once again, with fractions, we got to find the LCD. All right. The LCD of 5 and 3 is 15. Right. So I say 5 and 15 goes 3. So I write this back. 4x. 5 and 15 goes 3 times. So I multiply 4x by 3. Minus 2x, see, I wrote minus 2x. 3 into 5 goes, into 15 goes 5 times, so I multiply it by 5. 3 times 4x is 12x. Minus 5 times 2 is equal to 10x. Simplifying this, I end up with 2x over 15. Notice, this is an expression. This is an equation because it is equal to something, okay? So over here, this is an equation because it's equal to something. This is an expression. We're just simplifying it. This is a two-step linear equation. First thing, I'm going to bring the 12 over. 7 times something is equal to 47 minus 12. 7 times something is equal to 35. Dividing both sides by 7. Again, that something must be equal to 5. We're moving kind of fast. We will have a quick review tomorrow for those who are interested. Oh, the camera's changed. Okay, let's change it back. There you go. Now, here we go. So we have this triangle here. All three sides are equal. So what does that mean? That means that all three angles are equal. That means that it's equal to 180 divided by 3. This is 8, this is 8, this is 8. 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees, so angle A is 60. This angle's on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 60 is equal to 120, so B is equal to 120. This is an isosceles triangle. Right? That means that these two angles, this must also be angle C here. Right? So what do I know? 120 plus 2C is equal to 180. So I subtract 120 from 180, and then I divide it by 2, and I find out 30 and 120 is equal to 180. Okay? Now, with this one, a lot of you guys seem to have gotten this wrong. Remember, they always say, if it looks too complicated, redraw the diagram. I close my book so I can't show it to you, but these two lines are parallel, right? And then I have angle Z over here. What kind of angles are these? Co-interior. They add to 180, right? Therefore, angle Z must be 180 minus 112 is 68 degrees. Most of you didn't see that. I don't know why. Now here I am redrawing the one up here. See it right here. So this is 85. I can see that 85, that these are corresponding. See, it's in the armpits. You see that? It's in the armpits of the F. So it's x is equal to 85. These angles, these y and 85 is equal to, are called co-interior angles. They add up to 180. So subtract y is equal to 180 minus 85 is equal to 95. You see that? Bam. Last one, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. God willing, God's by life. So we have the 17th equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. 5x minus 12y is equal to 14. Now what I'm going to do, I want to eliminate y, because one of these is negative, the next one is already positive, right? And I just do one operation. I can make these two the same size now, the same magnitude, but opposite signs. So I have to change this into a 12. So I can multiply everything here by 4, right? 4 times 2x is going to be 8x. 4 times plus 3y is equal to 12y. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, right? And then I write back this whole equation back. I add them together. 12y minus 12y is 0. 8x plus 5x is 13x is equal to 26. So now to solve for x, divide both sides by 13. I get x equal to 2. Once I find what x is 2, I can plug this back into it. Add the equation. I'm choosing this one here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3y is equal to 3. Bring the 4 over. I get 3y is equal to minus 1. Dividing both sides by 3. I get x equal to minus 1/3, or minus 0.33 recurring. Be blessed, be encouraged. I will see you guys tomorrow. Be blessed. Remember, Jesus love you.